Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add projects or portfolios to a portfolio in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into portfolios, and then we can just tap on the portfolio that we already have. And here at the bottom, there's a add projects or portfolios button. If we tap on this, we can at first name the thing that we want to add. So let's say project 2, rather we can select either the project or the portfolio that we want to add to this portfolio. So if we have a project, let's say test 1, we can add this to the portfolio and then tap on save. And then we can just find the project in the portfolio that we created. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.